In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Lloyds Bank card. First, open the Lloyds Bank mobile app on your phone or go to the official Lloyds online banking website in a secure browser and log in. Make sure you're using a trusted internet connection and the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. If you use biometric login or a memorable information prompt, follow those as usual. You may also be asked for a one-time verification code to confirm it's really you, which is a normal security step. Once you're in, head to the cards section of your account. You'll typically find it on the main dashboard or within your account menu. If you have more than one account or multiple cards, take a moment to choose the correct profile so you see the right card details. If the cards section doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the app or signing out and back in. Next, select the card you want to activate and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves confirming that you've received the card and verifying some basic details. You may be asked to pass an additional security check, such as entering your app passcode or confirming a prompt. When you tap the activate option, wait for the confirmation message. That's your sign the card is ready. If you don't see an activate button, it may already be active or your app might need an update. Close and reopen the app to double check. There's also an alternative way to activate your card if you prefer. You can complete a PIN-protected transaction, like withdrawing cash from an ATM or making an in-store chip and PIN purchase. Be sure to insert the card and enter your PIN. Contactless alone won't activate a new card. Your first transaction should use the chip and your PIN. After that, contactless will typically work as expected. If a merchant terminal declines contactless on a first attempt, simply try a chip and PIN purchase to enable it. Once your card is activated, you can use it for everyday purchases, online payments, and cash withdrawals. For online shopping, you may be asked to confirm the payment in the Lloyds app or via a verification step. This is an added layer of security. Consider adding your card to a mobile wallet after activation if you use one. If anything doesn't work as expected, check that your app is updated, confirm you're using the correct PIN, and use the in-app help or secure messaging for support. And that's it, your Lloyds Bank card is now good to go.